Storm Team 8 is tracking a severe weather alert.
Warnings of the season for the state of Michigan. You can see them just now creeping into Berrien County and Cass County. And these are associated with storms that potentially could drop some hail more than anything. So that's the biggest threat that we're watching. Now, in general, as we step forward in time, what we're going to be seeing with these showers and storms is fast movers. And you can see that we have some light rain that's kicking out ahead of this initial batch. So that being said, we have to watch very closely to see as these progress forward. Now, if you guys go ahead, yes, perfect. I'm just going to step back in time here. Want to show you what's going on. Live look outside, you can see that we have 4 different views, starting to see a little bit of clearing in spots. But we don't have as good of conditions as they do out west for severe weather development. So because of that, we're going to be on the lower end of the severe risk, but not zero. Temperatures are mild in many spots. Areas that are warmer are going to be more likely to see a strong to severe storm with the first batch that's coming through. And again, it's creeping over Lake Michigan as we speak, but much of this is just plain old rain. So with those severe thunderstorm warnings, it kind of outlines for us which ones we have to pay close attention to. This one is zipping towards Buchanan, and arrival time for places like Niles, 6:40. Osceola, 6:42, Pokagon, 6:46. So our tracking from earlier today still dead on. Looks like it should be rolling in close to about 6:45, and these threats will continue as we go through the night with a few rounds of showers and storms. This is attached to a system that's massive. We have a tornado watch for as many as 28 million. We also have a blizzard warning on the north side of this for places like Minneapolis for winds gusting to 55 miles per hour. So here's the system in full, lighting up with warnings. This is the first round that we're seeing. You can see it tracking through Chicago. Round 2 is dropping some large twisters near Iowa City, and it does look like some of those tornadoes on the ground have been able to do some damage. So again, our first round, round 1, is going to arrive between 6:45 and 8 p.m. It's going to be preceded in many areas by light rain, which could weaken the first round potential for severity. But from Benton Harbor up to Hastings and down through Kalamazoo, Portage, Battle Creek, I would say be on close guard here as this first batch tracks up. Severe weather risk today, we're technically, most of us, in a 2 out of 5. That's not the highest that we've seen. Most of us will just see heavy rain through the night. And even small storms could contain some small hail, so don't be alarmed by that. Now keep in mind, pockets of damaging winds or a brief tornado still technically possible through about 1 a.m. And we keep talking about how there's 2 rounds. Well, the first one tracks through and pushes through by the time we get to 10 p.m. But a secondary round, the one that's moving through Iowa right now, is going to be pushing onshore, and this will be headed into the 131 region by 11 p.m. Some powerful gusts possible, and then continuing on through by the time we get to midnight. So that is the overall setup for us. We're watching a lot of storminess tonight. By Saturday, 40 degrees, windy, light wintry mix, snow accumulation, but it's going to feel like 28 for Saturday before we bounce back into some warmth for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Next round of storms Tuesday and Wednesday that we have to watch could potentially be severe through that time frame.